Okay, I'm going to demonstrate how to make a website on Google Sites. So just go ahead and search and sign in. I'm already signed in. Usually all you have to do is sign into Google, your Google account. You can find more of the Google documents here. So we're just going to start by making a new one. My main goal of this video is to show you the functionality of Google Sites and just how all the buttons work. So this is the home page. If you want to add more pages, you just come over here, press the plus sign. You can enter any name you want. Okay. And that'll be in its own page, you can tell here. But if you want to have it in a hanging down menu, you can say just drag it in to the home menu or maybe inside the cell itself. Okay, we're in the page already. You can name your website. Then there's inserting text boxes, images. You can embed links into photos and choose something from your Google Drive. There's different layouts for how you want to put your pictures or videos in. You can make a table of content on the first page with embedded links. And then, well, not embedded links, but as you go in, so and this would be the list of labs or list of other titles, and you'd have to put it, or headings, and you'd have to put it under headings. So, show you here, this one here. You can choose from your own computer, or you can select from Google or other websites you know by pasting in a URL. You can also go to your albums from Google. I only have 2 photos in there. You can also choose recent places. There's also a way to put more than one photo in one section. Just going to go from my computer. Just however many photos you want to add in. Wait for them to load. You can add little text descriptions. There's also ways to add buttons, divider lines, YouTube videos. Unfortunately, I have no real videos for that right now. So let's go with this one. Honestly, don't know what's on this video. Why are there always such weird things on the internet? Why? Then it'll appear. You can push play. Then you can also add different documents from your Google account, adding slides or sheets. Try going from sheets. Looks a little messy, but let's just go with a random lab I have. And you can also move them around by just grabbing this, dragging it down. There's also ways to change the backgrounds for emphasis. You can also do images, but I don't have any. So, well, maybe I do. This one's good. Looks quite nice. And if you don't want it anymore, you can just delete it. You can add charts. Mostly they're from sheets, but you can go inside, click insert, choose a chart of your choosing, well, to your liking. Let's go with this one. Again, I don't really have a lot of tissue culture pictures right now. Well, charts and data anyway. That's really all there is to it. There's also themes. You can change the formatting of your fonts, changing its color, or also changing its font type. There's also different types of backgrounds for your title header type. You can also change it with images from your own computer. Just gonna choose any photo right now. That's all there is to it. And when you're ready, you can publish it. Choosing any name. Just go with, no, not YouTube. Let's see. And when you're ready to look at it, make sure it looks neat. Nice little divider right here. A carousel for viewing photos. You can watch the video from tissue culture. Plant tissue culture in this situation. A wonderfully made graph from almost. Then you can just click on the main page. There's nothing really on this one, but you can add as much as you added to the home, or maybe more. That's all there is to it. And if you don't like something or you think something needs fixing, you just pick on the crayon and it'll open the page. Sending you back to your page. Any changes that you make can be republished by simply pushing the publish button again. But if you want to take your portfolio off, there's a button for that. And that's all there is.